Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Holly Wolf here, and you're watching Wolf of the Wild. In today's video, we're going to be planting some spring bulbs for my parents in this cute little end garden bed moment. Alright, so over the summertime, there were some beautiful canna lilies in here that we recently dug up, and we're going to be, oh yay, thank you windmill, we're going to be putting in some spring bulbs. I have some hyacinth here, and I also have a random box of bulbs that are mostly different varieties of tulips, so I thought this is kind of the perfect place to just throw them in and spread them around. And JR's mom gave these to me, and I was like, what are these? I've never seen this shape before. Apparently it's called a surprise lily. So it's in the lily family, but it doesn't have a lot of foliage, just the stem with the flower comes out. Kind of cool. They are perennials, I've been told, and they're beautiful lilies that naturalize in the soil. So I'm going to be planting them also in here, just a few. To kind of see how they do. I have no idea what they look like. They're just given to me, so we're just going to go with it. And I'll check in the spring when they start to bloom, and we'll figure out what they were, which will be absolutely super fun. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to spread these bulbs around. Not do too much of a crazy placement, but we'll see how it goes. And yeah, let's just get them in the ground. It's a beautiful day in November. So sunny, so ridiculous. So I thought, let's do as much as we can in my parents' garden. Yeah, Finn's just enjoying the grass beside me. Let's get straight to it. Woo! So I think what I'm going to do is place these cute surprise lilies kind of like at the back, like this. I didn't bring a lot of them, so I figured that would kind of be cute, right? Ooh, maybe like that. Actually, ooh. There we go. And then, how much of an impact should I try to make? There's a lot of bulbs in here.
All of it.
All of it. Okay, it's probably a lot, but it would be nice. I don't really know, like I said, what these are, what they look like. We're just gonna have fun and see what happens here. So just kind of throw them around. There's also a lot, I don't know if you can see this. There's also a lot of bulbs that have little babies on them, and they come off really easily. So I don't know if I should just, like this one. Look, oh my gosh, this has, it only has 3. I'm not super familiar with bulbs making babies, but I think that's super cute. So I'm just gonna try and place as many of them as I can between everything. They're so tiny. I have this really awesome tool that you just dig massive little holes with, and I'm a dummy and did not bring it. Is that a rock? What's happening? You know what I can do? Just put a few in each hole. Got that. are done planting some miscellaneous mystery tulip bulbs and those surprise lilies. I'm so mad at myself for not bringing my like little drill bit. So there's this really cool like auger moment that goes on top of your screwdriver set, and you just like dig all these holes. It's the coolest thing ever. I did it for the bed on the other side, which is like 3 times this size, so I'm very glad I brought it then, but I forgot it this time. No big deal. I did what I needed to do to get these bulbs in. But yeah, oh, I'm tired. I need a good refreshment. The only thing we didn't plant were a few hyacinth bulbs, and I'm gonna try to look for another place for them. We'll see how it goes. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you're planting for spring. Would love to hear in the comments down below. And until next time, I'll see you later. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye! Don't forget, as always, I have a membership here on my YouTube channel. You can click the join button below, which would be an amazing help as well. Or you could subscribe to my free OnlyFans, which is onlyfans.com/wolfofthewild. Until next time, bye.